Hey everyone, it's Jeff at Opus IVS. Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a quick one. We're just going to run over using AllData on your DriveSafe device. So the first thing that we want to do here, let's go ahead and click that settings tab on the left hand side of the screen. And let's go over to the AllData tab. Go ahead and click that. You guys will need to log in with your username and password. Once you do, go ahead and ignore this message here that you see. Let's go ahead and click the application switcher there in the upper right hand corner, and let's click repair. We are working on a 2021 Nissan Titan, so I'm just going to go ahead and select it. And I'm just going to do a quick search for the Intelligent Cruise Control module. So I'm going to type in ICC, that's the acronym that Nissan uses. We can scroll down here to service and repair, and you guys can just pick any one of these random links. And you can see here that we're now in the distance sensor alignment procedure for the truck. And that's going to be pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys that you do have the ability to use AllData on the DriveSafe device if you ever need to. So that's going to sum it up. Thanks for watching, everybody. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. And until then, take care.